Good afternoon everyone. Again, magandang hapon sa mga kaibigan natin mula sa press, sa mga media, and of course, our influencers. Welcome again here at our newest campaign launch this afternoon. So before I start, at Mr. DIY, we remain unwavering in our commitment to our motto of always low prices. So today's program marks another exciting chapter in Mr. DIY's brand story here in the Philippines as we strive to become even closer to every Filipino families nationwide. And before anything else, I would like to invite everyone to take a trip down the memory lane with us and watch Mr. DIY's brand highlights from the recent year and months.
All over here to Wanayala. So I'm thrilled to be here for the unveiling of our latest branding campaign for 2024. Since opening our first store in 2018, Filipino families have been the heart of our success. As we expand to over 600 stores nationwide, we remain steadfast in our commitment to bringing the brand closer to the communities. We ensure that each member of the family will find big and small products that can improve their daily lives. Para sa mga hardworking daddies who are into daily fixes, we have hardware tools, electrical items, and even car accessories. At para sa mga budgetarian mommies, Mr. DIY offers household and furnishing stuff that are functional, high quality, and provides value for money. And syempre, para sa mga ate and kuyas, we have sports, toys, school supplies, pet accessories, fashion accessories, and more. Truly, Mr. DIY is your ultimate family halimbayan dahil palagi meron dyan. This has always been our brand story from the beginning, and with Team Kramer as being part of our Mr. DIY family, it resonates even more. Team Kramer embodies values that are aligned with Mr. DIY. We see in their social media posts as a family, they're always having fun, being very happy in what they're doing, and just like Mr. DIY, the wide range of big and small products offer fun and happiness to our customers. Sabi nga nila, ang Mr. DIY, the ultimate budol store. Kasi nga, laging meron diyan. Team Kramer also loves to travel. And we see all their posts about their travels, right? And they travel as a family. And with Mr. DIY's 600 stores, well, we're actually at 595, so 5 short. And we're ending this month with 600 plus. It feels like we are also bringing you all across the country, from Luzon to Visayas and Mindanao. This inspires us to strengthen our brand message from last year's The Family Store for Everyday Needs, meron diyan, to what we are about to reveal today. The new brand message reaffirms our dedication to being your family's trusted pamilihan partner for all your big and small home and life improvement. I'd like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all of you who have joined us today at Wanayala. To our partners and to the Wanayala team, thank you for making this event possible. And to our valued customers, your trust and unwavering support inspire us to strive for excellence every day. Thank you very much, and I hope you have fun this afternoon.
1, 2, 3, and go!
Wave the pencils! Of course, available from Mr. DIY. And of course, we would like to invite, hindi ko makukumpleto. Alright, can you look at the camera while signing? And of course, you can wave your hand so we can properly document it. There you go, Miss Roselle is done with her signing. So let's do it. It's Miss Jessica's turn. There you go. There you go. It's now Sir Locke's turn. Look at the camera.
Experience to be able to shoot another ad for Mr. DIY. But what makes it special is because it's coming from the heart. Bakit coming from the heart? Dahil sinulit dyan din kami. Because nag-sing and dance portion kami. So, ako, nagulat ako. Kasi si Doug sabi niya, you know what, honey, we have to sing the song, the jingle, so that, you know, it's more relatable, it's more authentic, and I really had no problem except that ang taas talaga ng part ko. So, you know, when we were actually dubbing for this, it took me an hour and a half to get that short part of my singing kasi talagang nahihirapan ako. But then, you know what? It was so much fun because we love Mr. DIY so much, and you know, we want to bring the authenticity that we have in our videos, in our travel videos, how we are as a family, to even the brand that we are representing, which is Mr. DIY. You know, the authenticity that comes with the brand is really very special to us, and I hope that it resonates with everything that the brand does for the Filipino people.
Yes, I agree with Cheska, and first things first. Thank you to Ms. Roselle and Charles and everyone behind the marketing team of Mr. DIY. We are honored to be with them for the second straight year. And I think it's because of the trust they have in us in order to reach more Filipinos and to make sure that we can convey that Mr. DIY is the family marketplace, or the word, familihan, big and small, diba? For everything that we need at home, Mr. DIY has it. So, you know, for the collaboration part with Mr. DIY, it was, guys, we gave our best. Kasi nung una, dance lang talaga. Pero when we heard the song, sabi ko kay Charles, hindi kami singer. Pero let us sing for the brand. Para more authentic talaga. And we will do this for you guys. So, when you guys hear it, pinaghirapan namin lahat yan. Kendra, Scarlett, Gavin, especially Chex. And so, we thank you guys for the trust and the collaboration that we did for this special digital ad. Thank you so much for this TVC, guys. More power and more growth to Mr. DIY.
Thank you so much, Sir Doug and Miss Cheska. And we all guys were doing the Mr. DIY video and jingle.
It was so much fun. At first, we were all nervous to do the dance and also to sing. But then in the end, it was so much fun, and it was nice to convey the message through a jingle and through like a short song and dance.
Alright, how about you, Kendra?
Scarlett.
Sorry, Scarlett.
It felt like a music video, and I'm so happy we did it for our Mr. DIY family. It was a very fun experience.
Yeah, I saw you dancing really good on that video, and congratulations with that. How about you, Gavin?
Guys, yun yung star of the show. Kung kita mo yung entrance niya dun sa video,
yes.
Diba? Pansinin niyo yun. So what do you feel?
I wanted to represent Mr. DIY and dance for them.
Wow! How about a big round of applause once again for Team Kramer, everyone!
Thank you guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. You may now go back to your
Filipinos, and as I said to Ms. Roselle a while ago, we're but one of the branches of Mr. DIY on how we can convey to the Filipino that Mr. DIY is the perfect place for any family and needs, diba, for big and small. So we're very happy to be doing this collaboration with them.
Thank you. Alright, thank you, Sir Joe and Sir Doug. Any other questions? Over to you. Can you state your name and from what publication?
Hi, good afternoon. I'm DJ Lara from 93.9 IFM. And my question goes to the Team Kramer. What made you say yes to become the brand ambassador of Mr. DIY for the second time around?
I remember when we started this partnership, they were on the rise already. And in fact, I think, a year and a half ago, a year and a half, no? 300 stores, and then now we're closing in at almost 600 branches nationwide. So, it was such an honor for us to be part of this journey with Mr. DIY. And now, Mr. DIY has become so accessible to so many Filipinos across the nation. And it's such a pleasure to be working with a brand that wants to reach so many Filipinos.
And I think one of the reasons also why we agreed to this partnership is the authenticity and the values and the goals of the brand. They wanna. It's possible pala that you can have quality and make it affordable at the same time. And the accessibility, that they want to make sure that there's always something for everyone in the family. And, for us, with our family, we are very proactive with raising our kids and in making sure that, everything's also accessible for them. And of course, we want to provide the best kind of products in our home. And with Mr. DIY, they give just that, diba? Great quality products, accessible and at the same time affordable. And it's also the storytelling that is involved in the campaigns that we do with them. And I think that's what makes it a great partnership. The authenticity, the storytelling, and all of the intentions behind it.
Very good. Thank you, DJ Lar, for that question. Any other question? Yes, sir?
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Aldwin from Business Mirror. The question is to Ms. Rosel. Ms. Rosel, we'd like to know what's the strategy behind the very good success of the company and it's being in a competitive retail market.
Okay, thank you, Alvin, for your question. So, siguro the key strategy of Mr. DIY is really having a customer-centric approach. So we ensure that we have the right wide variety of products at affordable prices for our customers in carefully selected locations across the nation, so we maximize our reach. And it's also important that I mentioned that one key strategy is to keep our processes very simple as much as possible so that scalability is achieved faster. And once we are able to, scale up successfully, we are able to benefit from the economies of scale because the costs are spread out. And whatever savings that result from this, we are able to pass on to our customers through the products that we offer at always low prices. And when we, the more we scale up, the more our customers patronize Mr. DIY, the more we are able to expand. And so the virtuous cycle continues. So we expand, we patronize us, we expand again. So that would be the main key strategies in our expansion.
Very good. Thank you so much, Ms. Rosel. And Sir Alvin, any other question? All right,
Hi, this is James from Showbiz. Question for Team Kramer.
Yes.
What challenges have you faced as brand ambassador and how have you overcome this challenge?
I think it's a good and challenging thing. The growth of Mr. DIY is exponential, diba? It's growing so much. So the challenge, I think, for us is because as a family and the brand endorsers of Mr. DIY, we want to make sure that we want to go to certain branches across the Philippines. But because ang dami, the challenge is to go to them as much as possible. So, with collaboration with them, we're about to schedule some trips in the provinces to reach some of these branches. So, abangan po natin yan yung mga branches that are opening in key provinces.
Very good. That's a good challenge. Thank you so much.
Good challenge.
Yeah. All right, thank you, James. Next question. Over here, Sir Noel.
Hi, Noel and Pet at PH. I have two questions for a couple. What made you decide to renew your contract to Mr. DIY?
Well, again, the what do you call that? Wait, so again, it's the values that go behind it, the goals that we have at the same time. That, you know, we're a family that supports brands that also support families and that caters to other families. And to us, that resonates so much, you know, that we're able to communicate that. And, you know, it's a brand that wants to expand continually, whether it be being accessible in provinces, but at the same time, the accessibility is the products that they have, what they have in there. So, you know, it makes it easier for every Filipino to find everything that they need in one store. It's a one-stop shop. And I think as a family who has kids of different ages, isn't it so convenient to find a store where you can find everything that you need? Mommy has something there, daddy has something there, ate, and then you have your little siblings. So for me, that really resonates, and for me, it's so easy to talk about something that you believe in. I think that's one thing that makes it very authentic. When you believe in what you're representing, and at the same time, it's something that you use, and it's something that, again, you believe in.
And you know, to add to that, you know, we've been in this industry for what, 10, 11 years representing brands. And you know, one thing that really we appreciate as endorsers is how proactive Mr. DIY marketing is. And we're very appreciative of that because, you know, marketing goes beyond our family pages, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. And you see all the tarpaulins, all the billboards, all the store openings across the nation. And, you know, they want to make sure that they want to bring this product to the Filipinos at quality and affordable prices. So it only makes sense that we work with them again, of course, to our pleasure.
Yes, and the care, diba? The care that comes in meticulously choosing every product that they put there. They always have, it's like them going inside the minds of every Filipino people and thinking, what exactly do these people or these families need? And then they put it there. And then they make it again accessible, affordable, and it's quality.
In fact, Charles, diba, for specific provinces, there are some products that are catered specifically for their needs. Diba? So it comes with intentionality for the brand.
Yes, okay. My second question is, what the recent at-home DIY project you did that made you from?
Can you repeat that, sorry?
What the recent home DIY project you did that you made from?
At home. Okay, so, well, of course, ako ang gumagawa ng project. Kasi ako si Manu, diba? So, one project that is really close to my heart that I do every year is every year that my kids' school ends, I redo our homeschool classroom. So, I reorganize everything. So, in other words, parang ako nagsa-spring cleaning. So, of course, as my children grow older, the more I need things to organize the classroom. So, what's closest to me is that I am able to decorate and reorganize my children's classroom because I find everything in Mr. DIY, whether it be reorganizing basket, containers, or maybe school needs that I need to replenish. Everything is there. But what makes it close to my heart and why am I able to share to other moms? Because alam naman natin as moms, di ba? We have a budget that we need to follow. And we want to make sure that when we talk about these things and when we give tips to other moms, it is something that is doable. So with Mr. DIY, may quality ka na, affordable pa. So that's what makes it easy for me. Of course, everything there's as important because as a housewife, lahat naman talaga gusto natin, di ba? Whether it be for cooking, whether it be for the garden, but for me, the closest is, and what makes it easier for me is redoing the classroom.
Thank you.
Very good. Thank you so much. And thank you so much, sir. Oh, someone's raising his hand. Okay. Siya daw muna. Okay. Over here. Okay. She's already holding the microphone. Sige po.
Hello, good afternoon. I'm Gracie from itsmegracie.com. To Doug and hi. So far, as a family, what's your most memorable experience with Mr. DIY?
I think the making of this ad right now stands out. Just how meticulous the team was in the jingle, di ba? Tayo mga Pinoy, mahilig tayo sa mga catchy phrases and catchy music. So the way they were able to do their own, background and investigation on what would appeal to the mass and the Filipinos, and we're just one to convey that message through the song and dance.
And I think it's also the catchy phrases, yung familihan needs, di ba? Meron yan. So parang yung mga yun, parang authentically sa Mr. DIY lang yung maririnig yan. They own it. And of course, ito yung sulit, di ba? Double meaning, sulit at ulit tayo. Di ba? So ang ganda, very memorable. Maski kami, nung nabasa namin yung jingle at saka yung ad, parang tuwang-tuwa kami. Grabe, these are words that specifically coined by Mr. DIY.
There you go. I agree with that. And syempre,